Hello everybody, I hope you're doing alright. Okay, so it's a full moon, so I thought let's make a moon light. Only just got this today. I thought, you know what, it came at the right time, so let's just do it. So that one. Does it actually give you a colour? Yeah. Green, gold and blue, I think it says. This one says, oops, sorry. Is that red, green? Yeah. Okay, looking at the camera, looking at this, it actually gives us something to do with the skin. What's this one? It gives us purple, red and green. It also shows me that I've not closed these properly. Anyway, that's what I want to put in the back of this and the back of these, because obviously these will all be see-through because we're just going to put lights inside. Now you can put, considering the fact I'm using resin, an artificial light, not a real one. However, if you use something like Jessamite or any of them other powder products, which I cannot think of the names of right now, no, but I'll probably put it somewhere on the screen, then you can put a real light in. However, I'm using resin, so we can't. I was thinking we can just put in lights. Yeah, so I might put you on a fast forward. I don't want to bore you to this whilst I'm putting these colours on. Very nice. You know what, let's take it out of the lid first. Okay, and now we're ready to get some resin in there. Okay, resin's mixed. Now, I was thinking, I want black, but I wanted to put some of my Galaxy mixed glitter in there. However, considering we use Chameleon powders and realistically nothing will show apart from them and the black. I'm still going to put them in just to see. And this is black resin. Oops, sorry. Resin dye paste, black. Let's give that a quick stir. See, I mean, that's blacker than black. It's beautiful. Yeah. Now this is a mixture of chunky and fine. Loads of different glitters. Like I said, it's my own mix. Let's do 3 hefty scoops. Don't forget, it is black. And let's see what we get. Somebody's obviously got a bike for Christmas. I wish they would have left their filter on the exhaust. But hey up. I've done it. Get to a certain age where you're like, oh really? Do you really need to listen to that? And you just kind of have to awaken your inner child and go, yeah you do, actually. It's called having fun. Okay. Now, let's see if we're going to see this from both the front and the back. I'm just going to clean these up a bit, and then they're going on the curing rack. and we'll be back once they're cured. Right, they've cured a little bit more, but not as much as they needed to. However, the video needs to go out tomorrow. Oh no, what have I done? Oh, this looks a bit warped. I turned the heat mat on. I shouldn't have. No, we'll see. I turned the heat mat on obviously to dry them, to cure them a bit quicker. Ooh, I like that. And see, you can see the galaxy in bits. There, there and there. I like it. Go and look, see. Oh yes, you can see it in here. Yay, it worked. Yes, I know, I didn't think it was gonna. Around here, through the whole thing, and again the tip. Let's put this together. There you go. Okay, let's get a light. And don't forget, you can stick these lights to the sides and have them popping out, whatever your heart desires. Trying to pick it up and trying to show you like this, being the challenging bit. There you go. What do you think? Now you could stick 3 of them together and leave one open so you can take the lights in and out. Or you can put an artificial light in there and put one floating about. somewhere. I just don't know where. Anyway, I prefer these. They fit. So you can stick all these 4 sides together and don't stick it to the base, and again you can take the lights out. The world's your oyster, people. I think it's a really, really cute mould, and there's a lot of ways you can actually do this. No, it's only pushing out like that because of the lights, because they haven't been attached to anything. Well, if you do get yourself the mould, make sure you go around it and get all the bubbles out. Anyway, that's us done for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed yourself. God bless. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.